Listen, you've been listening to this and you got value. If you've never heard any of these strategies before, or you've heard them, but you really like the take that we brought to you today, I want to invite you to go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please share this, because I know that there are roofers out there that, or if you know someone, maybe you're not a roofer and you're related to someone that owns a business, a roofing business, share this content with them, because this is going to help them grow their business. And that's our goal with this podcast, is to make sure that if you are a roofer, we're going to be delivering massive value. Our podcast edition strictly just for roofers. So we want you to tune in and we want you to listen and take action on the things that we're going to show you and reveal to you, because it's going to impact your business. And if you can't, for whatever reason, if you are extremely busy and you don't have a team of people to do this, you don't have to hire another employee. You can just hire us to do it. Really, we do this for roofers. Like, this is what we do. We want to help you grow your business. So I want to invite you to visit the link wherever you're consuming this content. Go ahead and click on it, and we're going to have some free stuff for you. And just get in touch with us, and we'll be happy to guide you and have a conversation with you and see if we can do business together. Frankie, is there anything you would like to say before we close this episode?
No, I mean, you pretty much said what I was going to say. We work roofers, like I said, with a bunch of them. And there's some that are like go-getters. They want to get their hands dirty. They love working on a roof, or they love being involved, getting down and dirty. And you might want to do some of this stuff. Hey, I want to be able to set up my GMB posts, and I want to fill everything out, and I want to make sure I set up whatever I can to rank higher. And that's cool. We're here to share all those strategies, and we have those scenarios. But if this is not something that you want to spend your time on, right? If you're busy and you have other stuff going on, that's another reason why we're sharing this, because we've done it for dozens of roofing companies. We've done this over and over again for hundreds of Google listings in general, just all over the entire SEO sphere. We can, without a doubt, help you with that process, whether if it's done for you, done with you, whatever the case is. We're here to share as much value on here as well. I mean, so you can be successful. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the episode, and best of luck.